Welcome to West Texas as we are milling this 27-acre site. Here is a view of the site that we at CBU have been milling on and producing material that will be used to build pads, roads, all produced by the Rockhawg 1475. This pad location has 3 to 8 foot cuts. Blasting, hoe ramming, ripping the rock was how this process was usually done until now. I introduced the 1475 Rockhawg. The 1475 Rockhawg mills 200 to 300 yards an hour, depending on the hardness of the rock. Now these are tight yards, which expand 75 to 80% after the rock is milled. Blasted rock can expand up to 250%, which creates much more needless trucking of unusable material to deal with. Now the Rockhawg 1475 weighs around 240,000 pounds. The Rockhawg is set up on a down cut. This produces a better workable material. The milling head is 12.5 feet wide, cuts 18 inches deep with each pass. The Rockhawg is capable of cutting 2.2 feet, but cutting 18 inches gives us much better production and better material. This cuts down your cost per yard compared to blasting, dealing with large rocks, setting up a crusher to crush and reuse all this material. Blasting around existing infrastructure can be risky. For instance, this pad is being built by an existing tank battery which is still in operation. In this area, there was a 3 to 4 foot cap of rock. Milling this rock allowed the excavators to excavate the material for these ponds. Again, milling opposed to blasting allowed us to use all the materials for roads, pads, and berms needed for this project. The bid for blasting this project was around $800,000. However, all the unusable material still needed to be removed. The 1475 Rockhawg milled this project, producing usable material for around the same price. We set this Rockhawg up with GPS system. We take your CAD file, we build the model, and mill the site. This has revolutionized the way we deal with rock today. After the 1475 Rockhawg mills the material, we are able to remove it and place it as a finished product. Using the material on site cuts out the costs of import and export of material. This greatly reduces the overall cost of the project.